In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove unwanted objects using GIMP, a tutorial perfect for beginners. Now, GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a powerful open-source alternative to other image editing software. If you've ever found yourself with a nearly perfect photo, except for that one unsightly object that just throws off the whole composition, then this tutorial is for you. We'll go through this process step by step, ensuring that you'll be able to master object removal with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to open up your image in GIMP. Once your image is loaded, the first tool we're going to use is the Clone tool. If you're unfamiliar with it, the Clone tool is a fantastic feature within GIMP that allows you to paint over parts of your image by copying pixels from one area and applying them to another. This is particularly useful for seamlessly removing portions of your image. Next up, after selecting the Clone tool from the toolbar, you'll need to choose a source area. This is done by holding down the Control key on your keyboard and clicking on the area of your image that you want to use as your source. Typically, you should pick an area that's close to the unwanted object, matching in texture and lighting, to ensure that the edited section blends naturally. Take your time with this, as a well-chosen source area will make a significant difference to the end result. Now that you've chosen your source, it's time to paint over the unwanted object. Carefully move your cursor over the object you want to remove and click while dragging to paint over it with the pixels from your source area. This step might take a little practice to perfect, as you want to make sure you evenly cover the object without leaving any clue that it was ever there. Try using a smaller brush size for more precision if necessary. Once you've painted over the object, the next objective is to blend any rough edges smoothly. This is essential for maintaining a seamless look across your image. You may find it helpful to zoom in and use a soft brush to feather the edges of your painted area, allowing it to blend gently with the surrounding pixels. Make subtle adjustments as needed, and remember, the undo function is your friend if things don't look quite right the first time. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to remove unwanted objects using GIMP. It's a handy technique that can transform your photographs into polished pieces of art, minus the distractions. Keep practicing, and soon enough, this will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks on using GIMP effectively.